Are you living in UAE, working hard every month, but still not building real wealth? Most expats in Dubai and the Gulf earn good money but never invest it smartly. That ends today. Welcome to Dirham to Dollar, UAE's dedicated channel for finance, investing, and AI income strategies. Every week we show you exactly how to invest from UAE, which AI tools generate real income, and how to turn your monthly salary into lasting wealth. Whether you are an expat or a UAE resident, this channel is built specifically for you. Subscribe now and turn on notifications, because your Dirham to Dollar journey starts here.